think it will slide. Stickage. Waxes really well. This is a complete failure.
This is a complete success. Will it wax?
Hi.
All right, guys, we are very excited to be here with you today and a new episode of Will It Wax? Will It Wax? So today we have some exciting items. Kinetic sand, Pam, Hershey syrup, Play-Doh, Shoe Goo, petroleum jelly, and last but not least, Gillette shaving cream. Surprise item. Luke, the dog. Do I give it the first?
Yeah. Make your predictions first.
I'm predicting Pam. You win.
Gillette. I'm saying Luke.
Chocolate syrup.
That sound is nice.
What a spin.
Pam!
First try!
Very nice.
You don't know what Pam is?
Are you
Welcome to
kidding me,
America,
Dan?
dude. This is butter.
We got the
Because it's in a can butter.
Oh! You don't do that. What did that taste like?
Here.
No!
It's just butter,
No,
dude.
it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Poison.
What? 463 servings per container. Serving size, quarter of a second spray, which I got about 3 servings there. Total fat, 0. Saturated fat, 0. Trans
Wow.
fat, 0. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium, 0. Total carbohydrate, 0. Protein,
Maybe I should
0.
try it.
Let's give it a shot.
Not with you spraying it.
Okay, spray it.
Hey, tastes like movie theater butter. If you sprayed that on movie popcorn without butter on it, you would not taste the difference. That was not that bad. Movie theater popcorn,
Oh yeah,
right?
it's like Endgame all over again.
Okay, you ready? So I think first we need to get a shot without the butter, though.
Do you think it will slide?
Oh, I think it will slide. It is non-stick spray. It is made for this.
I think it'll make the ledge very shiny.
That didn't sound very nice.
No, it didn't. Now listen to this.
Take it on there. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's kind of nice.
That's very nice. Why don't they actually make wax like this?
Yeah.
I actually think they do make spray wax.
No way.
Hidden secret. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a wang denga.
It does smell like movie theater butter.
Aaron is dead. Aaron's dead.
Pam.
It's so fast.
You get the slipperiness of wax and the smell of butter. How do you lose?
Movie theater.
Literally, it's butter. Dang.
You're like gliding on it.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Butters.
Mmm.
Dude, this is making me want movie theater popcorn so
I
bad.
slipped out.
So it's really slippery?
Dude, you wanna try it?
Carlos, you
No.
got one.
How is it?
It got on the wheel and I slipped.
So is this a viable replacement?
Yes.
Would you ever use this?
Yes.
In an emergency?
Keep doing tricks, and then at the very end, we rate it on a 1 to 10 basis.
Dude, honestly though, if you ever go to a street spot and
Will it wax?
and like you don't care about messing it up, just spray it with some Pam.
What do you mean don't care about messing it up? I think every street spot you ever skate, you care about messing with it.
Bam, bam.
Stickage. We need more Pam. Wow. Very nice.
Let's try this, see if this works.
Oh yeah.
That looked buttery.
You guys have never heard of Pam?
Pam,
You know the story about Pam?
Australia.
Are you kidding me?
What they got in Australia? We don't have butter in the can.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Carlos is gonna send in a sponsor me video to Pam.
Yeah, I'm about
Dude,
to buy
that'd
some
be-
stock.
Everything's gonna be Pam.
Oh! How did he land that?
The rail? Now you want to try
Who's
the
hitting
rail?
the rail? Aaron hit first board slide.
Okay. Oh, he sprayed it already?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yep. New levels of slide.
I forgot I had a Smith.
Oh! so much fun. Oh!
Wow.
Aaron, I think you need some more wax.
Yeah, please. I mean, I would have totally landed that.
That sounded terrible.
Wow! No, no more. Dan, no more. You don't need any more, Dan. Yeah.
All right.
Will it wax?
10 out of 10 for sure. Butter slick, and it proves right there. It's logic, science. We did it.
I'm saying 9 out of 10.
Why?
It gets on my shoes, and then it makes my grip tape really slippery. Other than that, I would definitely use this if I didn't have wax. Like, I would take this from the kitchen closet.
I would use this if I had wax. Look, flavors, preservatives, colors, no artificial. And if you get hungry, you just get a little bit of butter in your mouth and on the ledge. It waxes the ledge. It didn't get on my shoes. Got on my skateboard a little bit.
And look, it's cleaner than wax. Actually, I'm 10 out of 10. My board is so messed up from wax. All these black dots all over it because of the wax everywhere.
Uzi, did you rate it?
I only skated it on the rail, but I will rate it a 9. I don't want to be smelling like butter.
If I smelled Uzi and I was like, he smells like butter, I'd be like, it's the best I've ever smelled him.
The best he's ever.
I turn around.
I wasn't here for the last episode. Can I get a spin?
Yeah.
I would be honored. I feel like it's easy cleanup too.
Okay, and this time I'm guessing kinetic sand.
I'm saying Vaseline, brother.
I'm staying with chocolate syrup with Uzi.
Oh no! Poor little guy. Hey buddy.
Up there.
What in the world?
We're waxing it. Come on. We're waxing the ledge. There you go. Come on. Let's go. All right, come on.
Hey, look, right here, buddy. Right here. Sniff this.
There you go, buddy. All right.
Good boy, Lou.
All right, let's go. All
Good boy, Lou.
right, let's go back to the office. Come on.
Let's see if it slides.
Who knew Luke was such good wax? Wait, you didn't have him wax the rail.
Oh, that's right.
Well, so far, how do you think his waxing abilities
It was
are?
like a 2 out of 10. It was as if the dog fur got into like the ledge and made it like not slide at all.
Hold on, buddy. You got it. You got it. There you go. Oh, there you go.
He waxed
He
it!
waxes!
Waxes really well.
Okay, so cute factor, I'm giving him a 10. Wax factor, I'm giving him a 2. Because I was like, oh, I love sliding this nice fresh box. And then I was like, what is this, a street ledge? That doesn't slide or grind. It was as if his dog fur, like, took off all the wax.
You're better going to maybe one of our previous episodes and using one of those rather than using Carlos's dog.
11 for cuteness. 4 because he has 4 paws and he did use all 4 to wax up. So good.
Hi.
Hi.
You guys, right now, go to the comments and let us know what you want to see on the next Will It Wax. You pick the items, we'll pick what you pick, and we'll do it, and we'll see what happens. Thank you so much. You guys are the best.
All right, let me get next spin.
I like the colors when it spins.
Yeah. Very hypnotic.
Oh, yes. Let me get in on that, Dan. I've been waiting my whole life for this moment. Shake it up a little bit. Let me just test. Oh.
Okay. I like those ripples.
Oh. Let me get the rail too. Foamy, sensitive skin, peau sensible. Comfort Glide formula.
Wax! Look at that. Look at the top side of that. Mmm.
It kind of looks like a meringue. Who needs to shave?
Wait. Come on. Look at all these other people.
He even thought about it. He was like, should I just take it? It's gonna take me the rest of the week to get this off. This is definitely not getting a high score.
I'm feeble in it, brother. The feeble like scoops it all up right here.
That was
I got a
amazing.
toe cap, brother.
Oh man, the fat glob.
That's amazing. Hey, this one's really messy.
Oh, dude. Benny!
Oh man.
Are you using your own board?
Yeah,
Have you not watched these videos?
I am these videos. Got a little something on the lens.
We're out of this. Oh. I deserve that.
Shave him!
It really do be own boss.
You want more, Kylo?
Wait, where's the slow-mo at?
Not too hard, Gabe.
I'm just gonna.
Wait,
I'm just gonna. Yeah. Right here, right? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ah! I got it all in his ear.
Oh! 1.
Ah! I got it all in his ear. Look at the camera. I'm giving this one a 0. Oh no! I'll never hear again.
Oh no. In the
Oh, how do I get out of there?
Well, it works.
It's like in there.
Okay, so the shaving cream was the messiest. The only good thing about it was that it smelled like pretty good. It ruined my grip tape, it ruined my board, it ruined my shoes. It nearly ruined my life. What was worse than that?
Easy cheese.
The Easy Cheese tasted good, it smelled good, and it slid good.
Did you just say the Easy Cheese tasted good?
You heard me.
Smelled good. I have to keep this place clean, so I'll give it a 2 as far as messiness goes.
1.
I loved it. I loved it. 10 out of 10. Fun.
Shut up. Are we sure that lens is okay? It looks a little...
Oh, it looks a little smudgy, huh?
I give it a 3. It slid well. It was just really messy.
All right. Predictions?
Here we go, Kinetic
Oh,
sand.
I'm
Here
hoping
we
for
go.
chocolate. I need chocolate. Carlos, give me chocolate.
Sugar.
Sugar? That's not even one.
No.
Yes!
I told you! First try, Kinetic sand.
It's like oobleck, but sand.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's so nice.
Ew. Is this edible?
Oh my god.
What do you put your face in it? Think you'll leave like a face?
Oh,
These are like those things like the most satisfying
I'm
video.
gonna buy
Oh no!
Oh.
I'm gonna buy a pack of like 10 of those and just fill my room up with it, like my whole room, the
That would
floor.
get gross.
Alright, let's wax this. I guess we put it on there, right?
Dude, that's nice.
Get out the road, dude!
Are you waxing the ground or are you waxing the ledge?
Let's go.
Watch out! Whoa! Wow.
No.
Well, it wax! It does kind of stick together weirdly.
This is a
that's
complete failure.
This is a complete success.
I know what it can be used
What?
for. It can be used to fill in ledges at a street spot and then apply wax over it.
Crack filler? Fetty, you want to slide it? Not even gonna try. Don't burn it, that's not safe. No, Fetty, no! Well, in terms of wax, this is not the best substance. But second to the best, for sure. Definitely slid better than Luke.
Oh no, it's not really.
That was like the worst sound ever.
Hey, that's good ASMR.
This is actually great anti-skate material.
Oh, did you see that?
Oh, great, Uzi.
All right, so the Kinetic sand, I'm gonna give it a
-40.
I'm gonna give it a 1. Yeah, I'm not gonna give it a 0 because it was really fun to play with, has a nice texture, but it didn't slide. For the purpose of skateboarding, it doesn't.
0.000000001.
Fetty, Uzi, what's your numbers? Uzi gives it a 1, Fetty gives it a 0. Well, will it wax? Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn to skateboard.